buoyant force. Weight of displaced fluid is equal to V rho g. Apparent weight, weight of thrust, rotatory equilibrium in flotation. For rotational equilibrium of a floating body, the meta-center must always be higher than the center of gravity of the body. Relative density of body upon density of water. Hydrodynamics. A steady and unsteady flow. A steady flow is defined as that type of flow in which the fluid characteristics like velocity, pressure, and density at a point do not change with times. A streamlined flow. In a steady flow, all the particles passing through a given point follow the same path and hence a unique line of flow. This line or path is called a streamline. Laminar and turbulent flow. Laminar flow is the flow in which the fluid particles move along well-defined streamlines which are straight and parallel. Compressible and incompressible flow. Incompressible flow, the density of fluid varies from point to point, that is, the density is not constant for the fluid, whereas in the compressible flow, density of the fluid remains constant throughout. Rotational and irrotational flow. Rotational flow is the flow in which the fluid particles, while flowing along path line, also rotate about their own axis. In irrotational flow, particles do not rotate about their axis. Equations of continuity. Rho A1 V1 is equal to rho A2 V2 is equal to A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2 if rho constant based on conservations of mass. Bernoulli's theorem. P plus 1 upon 2 rho V square plus rho GH is equal to constant based on energy conservations. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy per unit volume is equal to kinetic energy upon volume is equal to 1 upon 2 m upon v into v square is equal to 1 upon 2 rho v square. Potential energy potential energy potential energy per unit volume is equal to potential energy upon volume is equal to m upon v into gh is equal to rho gh. Pressure energy per unit volume is equal to pressure energy upon volume is equal to P. For horizontal flow in Venturi meter, P1 plus 1 upon 2 rho V1 square is equal to P2 plus 1 upon 2 rho V2 square. V1 is equal to A2 into under root 2gh upon A1 square minus A2 square. Velocity of efflux V is equal to under root 2gh. Horizontal range R is equal to 2 under root h in bracket h minus small h. Viscosity and solid friction. It is internal frictions as the layer exerting. The friction force is internal to the liquid. It is external frictions as the friction force is due to an external body. The viscous force is directly proportional to the surface area of contact of liquid layer. It is independent of the area of solid surface in contact. The viscous force is directly proportional to relative velocity between two layers of liquids. It is independent of the relative velocity of one body with respect to another body in contact. It does not depend upon the normal reactions between the two layers of the liquids. It is directly proportional to the normal reactions between the surface in contact. Newton's law of viscosity, F is equal to Na del Vx upon del Y. SI unit N into S upon meter square or decapoise. CGS units Dyne second per centimeter square or poise. 1 decapoise is equal to 10 poise. Deficiency of viscosity of fluids. On temperature of fluid, since cohesive forces decrease with increase in temperature as increases in kinetic energy, therefore with rise in temperature the viscosity of liquids decreases. The viscosity of gases is the result of diffusion of gas molecules from one moving layer to the other moving layer. Now with increase in temperature the rate of diffusion increases, so the viscosity also increases. The viscosity of gases increases with the rate of temperature. On pressure of fluid, the viscosity of liquids increases with the increase of pressure. The viscosity of gases is practically independent of pressure. On nature of fluid, Weissel's formula Q is equal to du upon dt is equal to pi pr power 4 upon 8 nl. Viscous force on a spherical body, Stokes law. Viscous force on a spherical body, Stokes law. Fv is equal to 6 pi nrv. Terminal velocity Bt is equal to 2 upon 9 r square in bracket rho minus sigma into g upon n is equal to Vt is directly proportional r square. Reynolds number Re is equal to rho Vd upon n. D is equal to diameter of pipe. N is equal to viscosity of fluid. V is equal to velocity of fluid. Rho is equal to density of fluid. Re is smaller than 1000. Laminar flow 1000 is smaller than Re, and Re is smaller than 2000. May be a steady or may be turbulent. Re is greater than 3000. Turbulent flow